In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find eBay promoted listings. Whether you're an experienced seller or just starting out, understanding how to leverage promoted listings can significantly impact your sales and visibility on the platform. So, let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to navigate to ebay.com and log into your account. Make sure you enter your credentials correctly so you can access your seller dashboard without any issues. Logging in will take you to your personalized eBay homepage, which is the jumping off point for accessing all the tools you'll need. Once logged in, hover your mouse over the My eBay menu found at the top of the page. A drop-down menu will appear, showing you various options. From here, click on Selling. This will direct you to the Selling Overview section, where all your selling activity is centralized. You'll find useful insights about your current listings, ongoing sales, and more. In the Selling Manager section, look for the option that says Overview. Clicking on this will lead you to a detailed dashboard, giving you further insights into your selling activities. It's helpful to familiarize yourself with this page as it acts as a hub for managing your eBay store and tracking performance metrics. Now scroll down this page until you come across the section labeled Selling Tools. It's a treasure trove of options designed to enhance your selling effectiveness. Within these tools, you'll find the option for promoted listings. Click on this to dive deeper into the specifics of how you can highlight your listings on eBay. Once you're in the promoted listings section, you'll have the choice to toggle on or off the promoted listings advanced option. This tool is essential if you want more control over your advertising strategy on eBay. By enabling this feature, you can gain insights and take advantage of advanced features tailored for more strategic listing promotions. As you explore the promoted listings section, take a moment to review and understand the different options available to you. These tools can help boost the visibility of your items, connect with more potential buyers, and ideally increase your sales. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on locating and utilizing eBay's promoted listings. Remember, consistent engagement with these tools and regularly reviewing their impact can significantly benefit your selling performance. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave comments if you have any questions or need further clarification. Good luck and happy selling.